Op. Hmm. Hmm.
Crazy all for the love of you.
Naman, try natin. Vacant. Ito yung nasa disk, ano eh. Parang ito yung nasa may map sa Roblox. Talk to front desk. Basic. Ay, yung na pala. Ba yan? Ganyan, lo. Ano yun?
Welcome to Twin Pine Motel.
Bakit boses radyo?
Assist you tonight, young lady?
Lady?
Will be $24.99, please. Pay cash only. Room number 5, ma'am. Try to be quiet and not disturb any of the other guests.
Room 5. Oh, may playground oh. Ang sasakyan dito. Pagagalitan niya ba ako? Hi! Hey! Wag. Pagagalitan niya ba ako pag ano? Gumalagal ako. So, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Tatanong ka lang.
This is my room, miss. You can't just go barging in here at night.
Your room? Binigay sa akin yun nung, ayun no, nakalagay oh. Room number 5.
5? Shit, I thought it's 6. I'm so sorry, miss. My brain ain't work like it used to.
Bad luck. Nakikwa. Mali pala yung room niya. Ew. Ano ba naman yan? Grabe naman si Lolo. Ginulat na nga ako. Dinamihan pa yung toilet. Grabe ka naman, Tay. Babalik pa tuloy ako. Papalinis ko pa yan. Inaantok na ako eh.
What's the matter? Oh, shit. Must have forgotten to clean that one.
Nah,
Look,
there's a guy
I have
there.
work to do, and I don't have time to be cleaning right now.
Loh, so paano
Would
yun?
you please go to the back and grab a mop? I'll give you a discount.
Ba yan? Ako pa pinaglinis.
To my right.
Napaka conspicuous nun. This is the staff room. Op! Sumunod ka. Op!
Look at this guy.
Now there's the map. What's this? Out of curiosity. Pupukpok ko sa ito pag ginulat mo ko. Hop! Ayun na eh. Wala na siya oh. Ano naman pumunta? Ay nako. Ay nako. Room 5. Sa akin pa talaga pinalinis yung CR. Ay lupit eh. Agulatin niya na naman ako bigla dito. Oh. Op. Op. Damn. Ang putik-putik oh. Ano kayong ginawa dito? Ba yan? Oh, pati yung liguan. Okay na. Oh no. Nag-brown out pa. Bulaga. The van wasn't here before. What van? Ayun yung dumadaan kanina. What van? Ayun yung dumadaan kanina eh. Hindi. Iba yung van. Nandun sa likod. Si Mr. Mr. Host Guy. Where the hell are you? Uy! What the hell? Kasi yun talaga yung reaction ko. Sabay robot eh. Meep morph.
God damn it. Must be that shitty fuse box behind the motel.
Ano pap?
Look, I really hate to bother, but would you please
Come
go
on.
behind the motel and fix some of the wires? Might just have to flick a switch. I have some unfinished work.
Ikaw Unfinished. Lahat pinagawa mo na sa akin Dapat libre na yung ko rent ko. So, where's the fuse box? I was just kidding. Hey. Nakita to kanina. Yes. Gulaga. Wow, ang tagal ko naman mag-fix. Fix na. Grabe naman gulat yung mga tao dito. Ilaw na, okay na. Close the door. Hirap na. Okay, matutulog na ako. Sabi niya may sisilip eh. Yan, may sumigaw. Nearby room. Dito pumunta eh. What happened? Oh, we got murdered. Face flat. Sabi na, ikaw yan Norman Bates eh.
Shouldn't have come here. Now you will pay just like he did.
Yan. Pinatay niya na lahat. Sino to? I'll call the cops.
You are dead! Not a big surprise!